Today we are making grilled stuffed French toast. All we need to do is have these and pit these. So I have sliced these peaches up for the grill. We can move on to the star of our show, the challah. So this will give us about 4 slices. So what you can do, take your bread knife and just cut it in half. And so next up, we also want to just give this a little bit of a pocket. So you just take on the bottom, it's a little secret pocket, and slice about 3 inches into the piece, about halfway through. Repeat the process with the rest of your pieces. So now that we have our bread prepped, we can move on to making our sweet cinnamon cream cheese filling. So to a medium-sized bowl, you will add whipped cream cheese, dark brown sugar, and very importantly, cinnamon. So once you have it well mixed, I'm just taking this spatula and dividing it into quarters, and we can get to stuffing. So I'm gonna take a good dollop, try to create a little bit of an opening. So now we can get going on the custard, because a French toast isn't a French toast unless it's dipped in custard. So our custard is very simple. It's just going to be eggs, milk, cinnamon, and a little bit of vanilla. Now it's time for the moment of truth, when we soak our challah loaves in this delicious custard mixture. Let's get going. You're just going to let it soak for about 30 seconds on each side. Any longer than that, the bread can start to get soggy. All that delicious flavor is gonna soak up into that challah. We are ready for the grill. All right, let's get this French toast on the grill. Woo! That sizzle. Okay, we'll check in a few minutes. Okay, let's check on our behemoth babies. All right, everyone, we have our grilled stuffed French toast off the grill. We have our grilled peaches looking all beautiful. It's time to dress this up. We have maple syrup, we have our whipped cream, candied pecans, and walnuts. And last but certainly not least, a mint garnish. Let's dig in. It's gonna go right in the middle. Make sure we get a delicious bite for you. So delicious. The challah was already so amazing to start with. Getting it on that grill has really brought out some of that flavor. This is such a delicious, decadent brunch. I can't wait for you to try this at home. This was grilled stuffed French toast with grilled peaches and sweet cinnamon cream cheese filling. And this was Bussin Eats. We'll see you next time.